So do it in $20 increments. Now, when you're done with this house, you offer them, hey, I can come back next month if you'd like and do your windows again for you. I can do this every month, but don't say every month because it sounds like a big commitment. Hey, if you'd like, I can come back next month. And the way this works is now you've got a recurring customer at $20 a month or $60 a month or $40 a month, whatever the deal is that you worked out with them. So every month you can go back and keep earning this money without having to find a new customer. Make a note to go back to this house 1 month later. All right, now we move on to the next house. Do the same thing, knock, knock, knock. Hey, I'm in the neighborhood and I'm washing windows today for only $20. I can get the front windows in your house sparkling clean. You can see through those windows, see what's going on outside, and your house will look great. For only 20 bucks, I can get that taken care of for you today. Person is most likely going to say yes. And again, if they say no, we move on. Now, again, we have the opportunity. Hey, what about the back windows? Would you like those done as well? That's only $20 to do the back windows as well. Now you've got $40. And you see how this works with only, let's see, $20 times 10 houses is